Good morning all. I hope all of you are doing great. Welcome to your ICT class. This is video number 23 on chapter 6 Data Analysis Made Easy. So in our last class we have learned how to do cell merging and how to do cell formatting. The learning objective for today's class is to learn how to include graphs or charts into the table that we have prepared in LibreOffice Calc. Okay, so in our last class we have prepared this table. Now before including a chart, we have to find out the item wise total production of vegetables. For that we have to add some more entries into this table. So here in this cell I have given total. Now we'll merge these two cells. We have learned how to merge the cells in our last class. Okay, now we'll find the total land here. For that, select the cell, click on this sum tool, then press enter key in the keyboard. Now we'll find the total of measure of land used. Again select the cell, click on this sum tool, press enter key in the keyboard. In the similar manner, we will find the total item wise vegetable production, that is total production of spinach, cucumber, lady's finger, beans, others. Okay, so select the cell, again click on this sum tool, then press enter key. In the similar manner we can find the total of the other vegetables also. Okay, now we have calculated the item wise production of all the vegetables. That is, we have found out the total spinach production, cucumber production, lady's finger, beans and others. Now we can include a chart or graph into this. So what will be the x-axis and y-axis of the graph? X-axis will be the names of the vegetables, that is spinach, cucumber, lady's finger, beans and others. Then what will be the y-axis? It is the total production, that is the total production of each vegetables that we have found just now. So we have to select the two parts of the spreadsheet, that is the x-axis and y-axis. X-axis will be this names of the vegetables. We can select these cells. Okay, now the second part that we have to select is y-axis, that is the total production. Now what happened? First I have selected the first part, that is x-axis, which is the names of the vegetables. Then when I selected the second part, that is the total production, the first part will be deselected. So how can we select two parts in a spreadsheet? For that, first we have to select the first part, that is names of the vegetables. Then hold on the control key in the keyboard. Then select the second part, that is the total production. Now the two parts has got selected. This is how we can select two parts in a spreadsheet. So after selecting the two parts, that is the x-axis and y-axis, we have to click on this insert chart tool in the toolbar. Then a window appears. From here, the first one is chart type. We have to choose the required chart type from here. We can select column, bar, pie, etc. So different types of chart types are given here. From this we can select the required one. Now we will select column. Now for data range we have to do nothing. So click on this next button. Again next button. Data series also we have to do nothing. Again click on this next button. Now in chart elements we have to give a title for the chart or the graph. We can give the title vegetable production. So type the title here in this box, vegetable production. Now we can give the x-axis and y-axis title. X-axis is vegetables. Then y-axis is production in kilogram. Okay, now we have given the title for the graph and title of x-axis and y-axis. So after giving this, click on this finish button. Now a graph is inserted into this table. We can reduce the size of this graph by clicking and dragging the mouse here. See, we can also change the position of this graph by clicking and dragging into whichever position we want to place it. So this is how we can include a chart into the or graph into the table that we have prepared in LibreOffice Calc. Okay, now in your textbook page number 101, let's evaluate section. Second question, prepare the calendar of January 2016 using the hints given below. We can use fill handle tool and 1st January is Friday. So we can prepare the calendar of January 2016. You can give the title January. Then under that we have to give the names of the days. First day is Sunday. Then in next cell it should be Monday, then Tuesday, Thursday, etc. So do we have to type all the days? No, we can use fill handle tool. For that, so click on the cell Sunday. We can see a small rectangular dot here. Place the mouse pointer on it. Then we can see a plus sign. Click and drag it up to Saturday. Okay, now using fill handle, we have filled all these names of the days. Then a hint is given that 1st of January was a Friday. So under Friday in this cell we can enter 1. Now the Saturday will be 2. So we can use fill handle. This fill handle tool can be used only in one direction, either column wise or row wise. So after filling this row, this cell will be 3. We have to type that. After that, by using fill handle tool, we can fill this row, okay, up to 9. Then 10 we have to type here. Then again we can use fill handle tool and fill the remaining cells in that row. Then here 17 we have to type. Then use fill handle. Then here 24 we have to type. Then again use fill handle. Then January has 31 days. So here 31 we have to type. So this is how we can prepare a calendar by using fill handle tool. Then third question is the following table gives the population of 5 districts in Kerala according to the census 2011. We have to find out the total population using LibreOffice Calc. So we have to prepare this table in LibreOffice Calc. Okay, now we have prepared the table. We have to find the total population, total male and female of each district. Also we have to find the total male and total female population here. So in this cell we have to find the sum of male and female of the first district. So after selecting this cell, click on the sum tool. Then these two cells are selected here, right? Then press the enter key in the keyboard. Now in order to fill the remaining cells, we can use fill handle method. So select this first cell, then use fill handle tool and find the total male and female population of each district. Now we have to find the total male population here and total female population in this cell. So click on this first cell, then click on the sum tool. Now this column, entire cell, all the cells in this column is selected. Click on the enter button in the Now press the enter key in keyboard. Now select the cell. We can use fill handle tool to fill the cell. Okay, now we have found the total population by using the sum tool and fill handle tool. Okay, now let's summarize what we have learned today. Today we have done our sixth activity, that is how to include a graph or chart. So for that, first of all, we have found out the item wise total production of the vegetables by using the sum tool. Then after that, we have to include a graph. For that, we have to select an x-axis and y-axis. X-axis was the name of the vegetables and y-axis was the total production. So how to select two portions or two parts in a spreadsheet? First select the first part, then hold on the control key in keyboard and then select the second part. This is how we can select two parts in the spreadsheet. After selecting the two parts, that is x-axis and y-axis, click on the insert graph or insert chart tool in the toolbar. Then a window appears. There we can choose the type of the chart we want. Then we can give a title to the chart, then title of x-axis and y-axis. After that, click on the finish button. Then a graph will be inserted into the table. Now we have a homework in your textbook, page number 101 in Let's Evaluate section, question number 4. Okay, this is question number 4. Here a figure is given and the following picture shows the image Manu got when he clicked on a tool in LibreOffice Calc. Study the picture and write down your observation. Okay, so from this table we can see that which tool Manu has clicked. It is the sum tool. Here you can see sum. Okay, now you have to write down your observation here. So do this as a homework. So I hope all the topics that we have discussed in today's class are clear to you. By this video we are completing our 6th chapter. So see you next class. Bye.